Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Siemens PLC model and required modules, so you order the correct cables and power. Next, power and ground the PLC per the wiring diagram. Once powered, verify status LEDs for stable supply. Make sure your engineering PC has Step 7 or TIA portal and the Siemens USB/Ethernet drivers installed. Once installed, reboot the PC if prompted. Finally, attach the PC to the PLC using the correct cable Ethernet or MPI/Profibus. To begin communication. Once connected, set your PC's IP address to match the PLC subnet so you can see the device. Use a static address if on a production network. Open TIA portal, create a new project, and add the exact CPU model and firmware revision to avoid mismatches. Then assign the PLC's IP or MPI node number in the device configuration and configure your PG/PC interface. Compile the project and resolve any errors or warnings to ensure the hardware and software settings align before transfer. You now download the hardware configuration and program to the PLC and follow prompts to stop or go to stop state as required. Once the transfer completes, place the CPU in RUN. Next, validate operation with online monitoring, block diagnostics, and force tables so you confirm inputs, outputs, and logic behave as intended. If something fails, first check the physical cable, IP, and PG/PC interface, then firewall rules and module firmware. The diagnostic buffer often tells you the exact cause to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.